Alrighty, good morning. Welcome back to Beck Outdoors. Today we're in a tilled wheat field type of deal. Last night there was like 225 out here and they all roosted to the west. And yeah, we got 15 dozen Bigfoots out running layouts a little bit back from the spread. And yeah, we just had the first group come in and do it. And then, yeah, killed all of them. So yeah, we'll see how many decide to come back today. Kill 'em.
Here we go.
These are gonna land, let them land.
Left side, lot of geese.
What?
Left side, geese coming.
Like, let these land?
Yeah, they're kind of far out anyway.
And they far.
Yeah, they're coming.
Alright, kill it.
That is good. Nice.
Those did it. Ready, everyone? Me and PJ go at the front, everyone else goes at the back.
I'm gonna stay down, everyone go else.
3, 2, 1.
Nice shot.
Hooked one! Kill.
Nice shots, boys.
Alright, you three get the ones up front, me and PJ get the ones. Alright, go. Oh, there's 2 shells.
I threw my...
Yes! Get him! Get him!
Yeah.
Kill!
Hey.
Maybe.
Should. Kill him there.
Alright, kill him.
That one's still
Get him.
alive.
Got a baby.
Nice job, boys.
We should land him. We should land him.
Should we? Yeah. Kill him.
He's coming good.
Get on. Alright. 3, 2, 1, break.
There we go. Decent shooting.
Kill him. Oh my god!
All those things are cool.
The full choke got all of that one. Kill him! Holy
Yes,
Christ!
Go down. He's hit.
You got these? Go up! Oh, the.
Yes! Yeah!
Nice.
I got one!
Nice.
job, Spence.
I don't know, we just had groups for the past, what, 30 minutes just doing it. They're finishing on the right a little bit, which is kind of annoying, but I mean, we're still mopping. We're taking them all out, so. We just had a group out front, like maybe 10, got them all. And then we had a bunch come.
Yes! Fire!
Right here. So that's how today is going. So.
Alright guys, I'm just kind of wrapping up. The guys went to go get the trucks. We just had a 2-pack come in. Me and Pete shot them. So we're gonna get the line going here, get a count on the birds. No idea how many we're at, but I know we're at a good number, so we're gonna get it going and we'll catch you guys in a bit here.
You know what just topped this day off? Just a giant meal at Pizza Ranch.
Alright, so we're just wrapping up the hunt here. We ended with 66 honkers, which was a lot better than I think any of us would have thought that we would have got out here. Yeah, I don't know. First couple groups did it good, and then after that it was just mayhem. So yeah, Worley just ran over 2 of the Bigfoots. But yeah, so we're gonna get picking up here, and then we'll catch you back tomorrow with another banger. Like and subscribe, buy sweatshirts, because this shit ain't cheap.